Okay, so I have some Slovakia style potatoes that I boiled earlier, a little bit of dill and butter, lots of butter. So I'm just pan frying these and I'll be adding it to my rice dish with crab that I'll be making next. And so that's what's happening in this pot right now, or the frying pan. Okay, yeah, so I think this will be a great side for the crab, the king crab that we made earlier. Okay, I'm just trying to add some crunch, crisp to these potatoes. I have a little bit of garlic that I sliced up too, or peeled off, I should say. Just gonna add that in there as well. And it is okay if the garlic gets a little brown for this one. We are kind of looking for that caramelization and the intensity of the flavor. So that's totally fine. I also have my heat on medium low. Right? You can just smell the potatoes and the herbs right already here. Okay, so what I'll do next is I have my crab shell, the head, which I'll be using as the aesthetics in the presentation. Okay, I will grab my sushi rice that I also had prepared earlier. Grab about 4 ounces of it. I will use this, the base. Oh gosh, the garlic smells fantastic. Okay, I'll lay the crab out in here. With the rice going in here. That's, well, I do have the top for this too, so I guess I could have just pushed that. All right, so next what I'll do is I have this mango salsa I made earlier. And I'll be laying that right on top of the rice, like such. Okay. And you can press down on it a little bit and it's totally fine. Okay. This in here as well. I have an avocado, a quarter of avocado that I peeled. What I'll do is I'll make a fan out of this, an avocado fan. Okay, okay, such. And we'll just let that one sit here. Potatoes are starting to get a nice caramelization on them. See if I can turn this down more. There you go. Okay. Next, what I'll do is take a couple of legs. Okay. Pop those out. Same thing I did earlier. Go ahead and cut this. Yeah. Okay. Peel this to the side. Make sure it still stays connected here. Okay, and I'll flip the side over. I like to flip it over because it looks nice. Same thing with the oysters too. When you flip it over, it looks nice. And this time I'm pulling it out though. And this fat is okay. We'll do the same thing with the other leg. Pop, twist, and pull to get both of these out. Okay. My potatoes are done. This is exactly what I was looking for. I want a nice and dark caramelization with that. Okay, and I'll just leave them in the pan. Totally fine. Get the end off. A bit faster now. Okay. Save the meat here. Save the meat here. Such a beautiful piece of meat here, so I'll cut it at bias. Yeah. Try to get 4 sections out of this. It cuts like butter. Okay, like so. Let's set this in the bottom in here. What I'll do next is I'll take my potatoes, lay them on the side, like such. Put this aside. Okay. Get rid of the spoon. Take my crab that I set earlier. Set this. Here's my avocado fan. I'll lay it sideways here, like such. And then my hot crab broth that I made earlier. We'll just go ahead and gently pour that in here. Okay. Like such. Okay. And now we have a crab broth with crispy potatoes, crab legs, and pineapple salsa, or excuse me, mango salsa. Enjoy.